So like I said, I'm going to do a 12 days of Christmas thing. The first thing I'm going to show you guys is this, because this came from Amazon, but it was only $1. I got 6 for $6. So I'm putting one of them in here. They have them at the dollar store, but it's like that big. It's like half of this for $1. And I actually got myself some of these, so I just picked one out and put it in here. So this is the only thing, not from the dollar store, but it was $1. So, and this is like a makeup eraser type of thing. This is makeup wipes, Hello Kitty unicorn. I got for $1 at the 99-cent store. Flower Beauty from the Dollar Tree, which is brightening concealer, and like I said, this one's coming out of the packaging. Also from the Dollar Tree, an e.l.f. jelly primer, 2 eyeliners. This one is like a felt tip eyeliner from LA Girl, and this is like a retractable eyeliner from LA Girl. I mean, yeah, LA Colors, both of them, sorry. LA Colors. And these two are gonna both go in the same little slot, so somebody's gonna get 2 in one day. This right here is by Flower Beauty, and it's a foundation, also from the Dollar Tree. These two from the Dollar Tree, they're LA Colors, and they're like velvet lippies, lip mousse, coming out of their container. These, I'm only going to put one, probably just the pink one. This is like a little beauty blender with its own container, which I thought was pretty cool, from the Dollar Tree. Also, these eyelashes, I'm putting in 2 pairs. So this is going to be another day with 2 things in it. And then this, I'm just going to put one of these in here. Probably the pinky one. I'll put this pinky one in there, and then this one, no. And then this one's also going to have 2 in 1, which is just 2 makeup brushes, also from the Dollar Tree. This glittery one right here, and then this one by Milani. And an e.l.f. blush from the Dollar Tree. Now, I also wanted to include eyeshadows in my little calendar. So I'm going to give you guys options. Me personally, I'm going to put this one in. This one came from Big Lots, and it was only $3. And this was, out of all of this was the most expensive item, which, like I said, $3 from Big Lots. And it's from LA Colors, and look at all those colors. But if you guys want to keep it Dollar Tree or 99-cent store, those both stores, the Dollar Tree and the 99-cent store, have, oh shit, this broke. Well, never mind then. They sell these quads, these beautiful quads, for $1. So if you want to keep a dollar store, these are only $1, and they're so beautiful. And then this one's the one that broke. The silver one broke, but you know. But yeah, these 2 nude ones for $1. But I thought it would be best to give them a bigger one. So I'm going to use this one for $3. So yeah, these are all my items, and now let's put this together. Okay, so apparently I forgot to buy Christmas wrapping paper. So this is all I have right now. I have this pink and white stripe, and then this solid pink one. So the inside of the box is going to be pink, and then just the outside is going to be this white and pink striped. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Okay, so here basically I got my 12 products, and I just spaced them out to the way I'm going to set them up. And now all I'm going to do is just trace around them like little boxes, and then I'm going to cut out pieces of cardboard and make those boxes and hot glue them on. Okay, so basically this is what I was talking about. I just mapped out my little products. This is the order that they're going to be in. And this is me outlining them into like little boxes. And now, sorry for the shakiness, I'm just going to grab more foam board and cut it like at 1 inch tall. And then just like cut it according to each line. That way I could box up every little thing and then put everything inside. And I'm also gonna put pink paper on these. Okay, so basically what I have here is my little backboard all mapped up of how I'm gonna divide it. These are all my dividers, and they're all wrapped up. And then I pretty much did another one of these on another piece of cardboard and then cut them out. And these here are going to be my little doors or windows, whatever you want to call them. So you could, I'm gonna wrap these up with a different kind of paper, and these are the ones that I'm gonna number. So what I'm gonna do right now is hot glue all of this onto that and then show you how it looks before I put the doors on it, or the little windows, whatever you want to call it. Alrighty then, well, here it is. Here is all my dividers put in, and I haven't attached the little windows or doors, whatever you want to call them, but this is the paper I decided to use, the pink and white striped, and I'm just gonna attach them all to the thing, and that's what it looks like, just the dividers. So I'm just gonna put tape on one of the sides from the inside and out, which means I'm gonna close it up, put a piece of tape, and then open it like this, and then put a tape in the middle, in the inside. I'm gonna do them randomly. Some of them are gonna open like this, some like this, and some like that. I don't think I'm gonna do one that opens like this, but we'll see. But anyways, this is pretty much the finished product, and yeah, I'm gonna tape them together and get back with you. Okay, so here it is, all finished up. The doors open randomly to whatever side, and the little tabs are basically duct tape that I folded in half, and then I just stuffed it in and taped it with clear tape on the inside. So now this is basically it. This is my frame, and now I'm just gonna stuff it with all the stuff. But before I put the stuff in here, I'm gonna wrap everything up in tissue paper and then put it in here. So here I basically just had to take out the little beauty blender from its container because it was too big and it wouldn't allow the little door to close. So as you could tell right here. So I just had to take it out and leave it as is in order for it to close. And then over here I got the two eyeliners. Right here is a makeup remover wipe, the blush, the highlighter, the two makeup brushes, the Hello Kitty removing makeup wipes, one pair of eyelashes, the two lippies from LA Colors, the foundation, the makeup palette, and the concealer over here. And then I just ended up wrapping everything up with yellow tissue paper and putting it back in the little containers, and also just putting a little piece of clear Scotch tape in the top of each drawer to make sure it won't open and have things fall out. And there you all have it, the finished product. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys got an idea of what to do and things to gift from the Dollar Tree. Always keep an eye out for those brand stuff that they have. Don't forget about that. Pick them up and then just save them up and use them for something like this. It's not the best looking, I know. It's my first time doing this. But like I said, I hope you guys enjoy it. And it was less than $20. So for less than $20, I'm going to make one of my daughters happy. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you haven't done it so far, please like this video and share it, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell so you can get notified every time I do videos, because I'm going to do more Dollar Tree, Dollar Store Christmas videos. So thank you guys, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.
Yeah, delicious, you know you got me twisted. Your eyes, your body, I'm fiending for your kisses.